I've never worked in a place like this before. Many of my projects have been in places that were for the aristocratic elite, great palaces, great hotels. But one thing I really love about this place is that it was for everybody. It was for the whole community. It performed a function in society which we've lost now. Symbolically, I'm interested in this place as a place of healing. And I'm interested in this idea of temperature, and it's something that I'm exploring in my paintings. I'm preparing, firstly as abstract colour fields, using blues and then reds, and the transition between those two colours as a way to tell the story of what this hammam was. Paintings that I'm making here on site are inspired by these stories that I'm hearing from the old people in Saida who remember it in its heyday. How it was this wonderfully happy, joyful place where everyone would come to heal, no matter what their religious background or their economic backgrounds. This place was for everyone. So I've been spending days and weeks here in Saida, just soaking up the atmosphere, listening to the place, seeing how the light changes, how the quality of sound changes, the temperature changes, and also feel the textures in the walls, because the walls really tell a story. There are so many layers of histories buried within these walls. You can feel the different layers of civilization that have happened here. There are many cities underneath this one that we're in at the moment. And I'm trying to evoke this in my art, in the way that I paint, by building up thick layers of paint, one on top of the other. And then sometimes when the paint is still wet, by scraping away at the top layer to reveal the texture of what's underneath. Many of the buildings I've worked with in Lebanon have quite dark spirits, but I think this place has a very positive spirit. People were happy here, people rejoiced here, they came here to cleanse, to heal. I get a sense that we are all artisans working together. The project is not just about painting and putting on an art exhibition, but it's something bigger than that. I feel contributes to the local community, regenerates the place and brings new work and new connections between people.